Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Innovation, some might refer to it as something new. Others might consider it a change made to an existing product or idea. Today we're visiting AG Stacker Incorporated. AG Stacker has been a leader and innovator in the custom manufacturing industry for nearly 25 years. Their primary focus is the design and manufacturing of industrial machinery for corrugated material stacking operations. A family-founded business in 1996, they saw a lack of innovation in the converting industry machinery when it came to stackers. In 2000, they built their first stacker, along with retrofitting many existing stackers with upgrades to improve system speeds and efficiencies. AG's mission has always been committed to innovation. AG Stacker has grown into a mid-size manufacturing company. Their product offerings have diversified to other equipment for converting lines. As the industry changes, so do they, by offering the automation and customization their customers demand. AG Stacker does more than assemble a machine. They manufacture a machine that is built to endure ever-increasing speeds and requirements of a packaging plant. Systems, products are made in America, cutting steel, machining parts, and manufacturing equipment from the ground up in the Shenandoah Valley of Virginia. With 18 patents, currently averaging 2 patents each year, AG Stacker is a leader and innovator in the custom manufacturing industry. Don't debate, innovate with AG Stacker, and visit them at agstacker.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.